Class 10 examinations conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur has commenced today amid 48-hour general strike called by several civil society organizations. However, there is no report of any untoward incident during the examinations. Altogether, 37,715 students, including 19,087 boys and 18,628 girls, will be appearing the Class 10 examination this year. The exam was held across 154 centers, including 63 centers in hills and 91 in the valley. As many as 25 inspection teams, both government and private combined, functioned as flying squads during the exam. OC concerned with duty officials were seen strictly monitoring the examination centers for smooth conduct of the exam.